If you've watched my cupcake buttercream flower videos and are looking for a creative way to display them as a gift, this video is for you. I'll be showing you how to transform your decorated cupcakes into a stunning flower bouquet. I'll be decorating the cupcakes just like I did in my buttercream flower videos, so I won't go into all the details again. I'll link the two videos below if you'd like the full tutorial. I like to start with one large flower, then add multiple types of flowers to each of the other cupcakes rather than a single bloom per cupcake. The variation in shapes and sizes adds more depth and makes the bouquet feel fuller, more dynamic, and more organic. Refrigerating your cupcakes lets your frosting set, making it easier to assemble your bouquet. Now let's transfer our decorated cupcakes into a stunning bouquet. Using paper cups that are the same size as your cupcakes, staple them together in this pattern. We're also going to need a couple sheets of tissue paper and cellophane. I have 14 by 20 tissue paper here, and I'm going to trim it down to about 14 by 16 because I don't like the paper to come up too high around the cupcakes. If you prefer the paper to tower over the cupcakes, you can use larger sheets. I also like my cellophane an inch or two larger than the tissue paper. I start with the cellophane for the outer layer and then place the tissue paper on top. I make sure to position them so that the corners are all pointing in different directions, so that layers really stand out. You're going to need to put something heavy in one of the cups to weigh it down while you wrap up your bouquet. It prevents the cups from sliding around. Lift the paper and using the other hand, tuck and fold under until you get a neat crease. You can tape the crease or staple it onto the cup. Keep the cups tight against the side that has already been folded to ensure that the bouquet will be sturdy and secure. I realized the cups I bought were too big for my cupcakes, so they sank too deep into the cups. To fix this, I could either stuff the bottoms with paper to give the cupcakes a little boost, or staple a cupcake liner into the cup to help support them. I found that stapling the liners worked better. Now the fun part, creating a beautiful arrangement with all of your masterpieces. Add some finishing touches by filling in the gaps with leaves. It brings the bouquet together and makes it appear like one giant arrangement, rather than 7 individual cupcakes.